What's up everybody? We are going to be making my version of a taco bowl. I don't actually have any meat to be throwing in this, so this will be a meatless taco bowl. So all my vegetarian and vegan friends, I got you. So today I'm going to be throwing together some pinto beans, some diced tomato, green bell pepper, and some red onion. I'm gonna be throwing everything into my Instant Pot with my rice, which I've already pre-soaked. And then we're gonna be cooking it all together, and hopefully it'll all just come out into one very easy meal. Let's get started. First things first, I gotta chop up my fresh veggies. That's my green bell pepper and my onion. So some of you know me personally, some of you do not. I did post on my personal Instagram account. We had a very unfortunate thing happen. We ended up rushing my roommate's dog, Miss Pizza, to the vet. She was being treated for anemia and was in need of an emergency blood transfusion, and unfortunately, mid-transfusion, she went into cardiac arrest and wasn't able to make a recovery, and so we said goodbye to her. It was very, very sad for us. Eat a pizza in her honor and save all of your crust for your pet. That's our own little way of remembering and celebrating her life. She was an amazing dog. Really gonna miss her and her little face. So yeah, Pizza, if you're listening, if you're out there watching, we love you, we miss you. Thanks for being such an amazing dog niece. I will never forget you. All right, so I've diced up half of my onion on my cute little pear-shaped cutting board. I'm gonna throw this directly into my Instant Pot with some olive oil and put it on saute. Up next, bell pepper. Chop her up. I'm gonna saute my pepper with my onion in the Instant Pot. What's really great about this recipe is it kind of feels like a one-stop meal. Like no cleanup at the end. You just have to clean up the Instant Pot and that's it. Okay, boom. So the majority of our hard work is over. I've just thrown the green peppers in with the onions. I'm just gonna mix those up, saute them a little bit, let them get a little bit brown, and then I can add the rest of my ingredients and we'll be in business. All right, you guys, so our onions are looking nice and soft. Our green peppers are looking good. I think I'm ready to go ahead and open up some of my cans and start combining the rest of my items. So I have some diced and fire roasted tomatoes. These are from Trader Joe's. They already come with organic green chilies, so I'm hoping it'll add just a little bit of extra flavor to my bowl. We'll open this guy up. I also have my pinto beans, which I'm going to open, and then we will do the last two ingredients. I will show you that in just a moment. So I'm gonna go ahead and drain my pinto beans. So I already turned my Instant Pot off. So I'm gonna throw these beans in there. And then I'm actually not going to drain my tomatoes just because I want a little bit extra tomato flavor in my bowl. So I'm gonna pour these babies in, juices and all. Now I'm gonna mix everything that's in my pot, which is all my veggies plus my beans together. Lastly, I'm going to add my rice with a little bit of vegetable broth. So like I said, my rice has already been soaking, and that's just to help get some of the starch out. I'm gonna drain my rice and put her in. Oh, and in case anyone was wondering, this isn't basmati rice, even though I love me some basmati. This is just some regular medium grain rice that I got from Ralph's. I'm gonna put her in here. I'm not gonna try to mix it in with the rest of the veggies or anything. I'm just gonna put it in here, smooth it out. And then on top of my rice, I've got a nice little pack of McCormick's original taco seasoning. This is literally the OG, so this is, I think, available at any grocery store across the country. This is the best. And lastly, this is some vegetable broth. It's low sodium. I'm gonna do a cup of this into my Instant Pot. All right, beautiful. That, my friends, is the end of our cooking process. I'm gonna go ahead and set my Instant Pot to pressure cook. I'm gonna cook it for 6 minutes, and then we'll check it out and see how she looks. All right, you guys, so I just heard the beep go off. That means our meal is officially done. I'm about to pop this open, see what's inside, and we're gonna get really close to eating our dinner. And we're steaming, and we're steam. steaming. So side note, while we let this steam, I'm really excited to add a couple things to my bowl after it comes out. One of my favorite sauces that I discovered in 2019 was this jalapeno sauce from Trader Joe's. If you guys haven't tried it, you're missing out. This is so good. It's got a really nice kick to it. Also has a really great flavor. I'm a really big fan, especially for anything that's in the like Mexican food line. Of course, we have our giant bottle of Cholula. Cholula hot sauce is just, I mean, you already know. If you don't know, what are you doing? And then lastly, we have our organic sour cream, because taco bowl sour cream, I mean, it's a no-brainer, you know what I mean? All right, so she just finished steaming. Let's open her up and see what's inside. Yes. Oh, this looks so good, you guys. Here we go. I'm gonna take a big spoon, we're gonna mix her up. Oh, this looks so good. You guys, yes. I mean, can I just show you, like, what? Exciting. Long story short, boom, she looks so good. We have a nice little pop of cream, little pop of red. I'm gonna put a little bit of my jalapeno sauce, yes. The Cholula. Last but not least, a dollop of sour cream. And just like that, we have a super easy and I'd say relatively quick taco bowl who looks like this. Boom. Voila. I mean, she's so colorful, she's so beautiful. I'm about to devour this in like 2 seconds. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye.